Welcome back to the Karen Cave. I've been having so much fun out here this afternoon. I gotta tell you, guess what? Dr. Seuss's birthday is coming up this weekend, so we're gonna have a party. Yep. And I am going to teach you how to make one of his favorite books meals. It's called Green Eggs and Ham. You've had to have read this book. And if you haven't, please get a copy of it and read it this weekend. And I'm gonna teach you in this clip how to make these green eggs. So stick with me, it's a lot of fun. Okay, we're going to start this green eggs and ham by adding a few drops of green dye to a couple of cups and fill those up with water. Then you're going to go ahead and separate your eggs and your yolks and your whites. Just tip it back and forth. Put your whites in one cup and your yolks in another. Add those yolks to your green dye and some water, and then cook up the whites in a hot pan and then plate those. Then after about 3 or 4 minutes, you're going to take those yolks out and you're going to drain them. You can have a spoon that's got a hole in them and just put that juice right through it. And then carefully let that yolk just kind of roll out onto the spoon. But get as much of the liquid off as you can. Again, just be really careful, and then you're going to place that right on top of those whites. And there you have your green eggs. Next, go ahead, add your ham.